Good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to make vegan bacon my way. And actually this potato has a lot of green in the skins, and the green can be a little bit toxic, so I'm going to look for a different potato. So I'll start with this one here. So I always peel the ends off like that. And then you want to try to get a nice thick peel like that. So just kind of push down a little harder when you peel them. Try to make them all about the same. And if you don't get one that's good, you just, you don't have to use it, although that's still pretty good. But like that little piece you don't want to use. And then put the potato aside for later. All right, let's see how this one is. And I just take the ends off like this because it's just easier to peel them. You get a nice clean swoop of peel here. So again, push down kind of hard so you get a nice thick peel like that. And if you need to kind of do that, well, you can keep these little ones. They just, if you have a lot of big ones, the little ones tend to cook much faster. So just be cognizant of that. And then finish just kind of peeling up the potato a little bit. Actually, I think I might do one more.
And normally I wouldn't worry about them being a little on the greener side because I would just put the peels in my compost pile. But because I'm using the peels, I don't want them any greener. I want no green is the best. And then the last one. Okay, just peeling that after. I'll peel those after.
Okay, and then I just have a mix of maple syrup. About a tablespoon for this amount of peels, about a tablespoon of maple syrup, quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of sea salt, and if you want to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, not more than say an eighth of a teaspoon. Sometimes the oil makes it adhere to the potato skins better. Just want to whisk it up. And you can do it a couple different ways. You can either just kind of pour it on and mix them all up, or you can put them in the basket, the air fryer basket. Try to get them on a single layer in it. And then you can just kind of brush it on, flip them over and brush them again.
Or again, you can just pour it on and kind of mix them all up in a bowl. I like to do it this way. I feel like you get a much better coating on them this way. And they don't have to be saturated, you just want to make sure that it gets on every little bit. And I know some people will be like, oh, that's way too much work early in the morning. But it is so worth it. It's really not that much work. And with the potatoes, I just peeled, I'm going to end up using those for hash browns. So then I just kind of flip everything over and do the other side. Oh, it smells so good already. One of my vices is maple syrup. I could just drink it out of the carton. I love it so much. Okay. And then just do the other side of these. And again, they don't have to be saturated. You just want to make sure you get pretty much every little bit of them, but just a thin coating is fine. If there's any left, just kind of go over them a little bit more.
And that's all you need to do. And then we're going to put them in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And I will come back to show you how yummy and delicious they are. Okay, so here's what they look like fresh out of the air fryer. And when they're done, you'll know they're done because you can just kind of go like this and they'll come right off. When they're not done, they'll stick still. So this is what they look like right here. Well, mine has air fryer marks on them, but this is what they look like. And They are really, really yummy. You've got to try it. Super, super yummy. That's what they look like. Really easy, super yummy. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.